Hello, my fellow gardeners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of gardening and discuss 12 vegetables that are perfect for planting in June. These plants will not only add a splash of color to your garden, but also provide you with the freshest and tastiest produce. First on our list is the tomato. This is a versatile vegetable that thrives in the warmer weather of June. It's an essential ingredient in many dishes and can be used in salads, sandwiches, and pasta dishes. Next up, we have the pepper. Pepper plants love the heat and will flourish in June. They add a spicy kick to any dish and can be used fresh or dried. Our third vegetable is the eggplant. Eggplants love warm weather and will produce plenty of fruit during June. They're a versatile ingredient that can be deep-fried, roasted, or grilled, adding a unique flavor to any dish. Our fourth vegetable is the cauliflower. Cauliflower is a cool season crop that does well in June. It's a healthy vegetable that can be steamed, roasted, or used in soups and stews. Moving on, we have zucchini as our fifth vegetable. Zucchini is a fast-growing crop that will give you plenty of fruit during June. It's a versatile ingredient that can be added to pasta dishes, soups, or even made into zucchini bread for a sweet treat. Our sixth vegetable is broccoli. Broccoli is another cool season crop that does well in June. It's a healthy vegetable that can be steamed or roasted for a delicious side dish or snack. Then we have lettuce as our seventh vegetable. Lettuce grows quickly and will give you plenty of fresh salad greens during June. It's a great way to add flavor to your meals while staying healthy. Our eighth vegetable is spinach. Spinach grows quickly during June and provides you with nutrient-dense greens for your salads and smoothies. Spinach also makes an excellent addition to pasta dishes and stir-fries. Our ninn.